guys, this is part 2 of the 420 horsepower Integra build. On this video we're going to be painting the bumper and a few other things. Stay tuned.
Taping off the little thing in there because I want to keep that black, make it look kind of fresh. Got that all taped off. Got the bumper all done. Came out low-key flawless. There is a couple runs on there because I was trying to go super thick with the clear in case I hit any rocks from passing cars or anything, but that's alright. You just can't win them all, so at least they're not on like the main face. Everything looks great, so. Alright, so I forgot to paint the bumper thing support when I painted the bumper, so I'm gonna do it in the VHT Wrinkle Plus Red. So
hey, you know, this your boy Red Nasty. Follow the, subscribe to the channel, you know, White Trash Racing. That's just comedy, bro.
It's White Trash Racing. We're back at it again. I got a surprise for you guys. Well, I mean, it's like a surprise for myself, but if you guys want to be surprised about it, go ahead.
check it out. Are you ready? Damn. Okay. Yep, the Type R rep, it came in. Came in the mail today. Look at that. What do you guys think about that? I like it, dude. I like it. White Trash Racing, baby. But anyways, it came in like painted already, like black with the clear coat on it. So I'm thinking about just doing the hood black. Not even thinking about it. That's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna. We got the wing on there. She looking good. I like it. I just ran the wire through right there. Threw a little bit of sealant in there, and that's like a glob of some right stuff. And then I put the bolts in there from my old wing because it fits in the same holes as the stock wing. And then yeah, this side I did the same thing with the right stuff. See how it looks. Yeah, man. So I'm just gonna weld these up right here. I'm gonna put a bead right there on each one. That way, when I drive now, I can just drive it open. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if you think I should do that, and then we might try it out. You feel me? Like hitting like 160 with that open, probably bust a fucking wheelie. Excuse my language. Forgot to show you guys the wiring. That's like some more right stuff, and inside there, can't see it, is two, what do you call it, 2 splices, that's what they're called. And then some electrical tape around them. Got my bezel, little trim piece back on for the back. And I put this one back on too. And I put the back seats in also. So finally got back seats again, that's sweet. And then all my plastics, and it's looking pretty good, man. It's coming together finally. Quick little shot with the wing on it. All a little bit cleaned up. I kind of wiped it down. Looking good, boys. Now I just gotta get I ordered a red Honda badge, and then this one is a surprise, so you'll see when the Acura logo goes back on there. But there she is. She's looking sexy. What's up, guys? We got a couple little things coming in for the car, so I figured I'll just do another video of how it is right now. So I just want to show you around the car. I've got a couple things in. There's still a couple more things coming in the mail, and I got a couple things that I've whipped up myself. So we obviously got the wing because I've already showed you that. That thing came out great. At first I didn't like it. Now I'm kind of liking it. The other thing is we got the fenders done. You guys seen that on the last video. But the last thing is that we got the... Well, that's not the last thing. Another thing is that we got the bumper painted. None of it is put on yet. Let me open up real quick and show you what else we got on here. So it's a little messy, but we've got seats in here. It's hard to tell, but in the back of the car we have seats now. So anyways, and then the other thing under the hood, this up. I painted this bad boy with the wrinkle red paint. It came out pretty sick. And then we got the this cold air intake I made out of 2.5-inch PVC pipe. It comes right down through there. Hopefully it's gonna clear my headlights. And then it comes in here. Inside here it has got my K&N on there, and let's see, that's with it out. It fits perfectly. I like it. I'm a little bit worried about the amount of airflow it's gonna provide for me, but if it limits me too much, it only cost me about 20 bucks to make it, so it's really not a loss at all. It would at least work for daily driving, you know. Might not be fast, but I know it'll definitely get me around town, so it will be safe. That's the most important part. Anyways, next video I'll have all this all buttoned up because this thing's just sitting on here with those 3 bolts right there. And then also I got headlights coming in. That's one of the things. So see those in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. We got the $150 Jetta. Hit that shit, boy! Got Joe in the Prelude, Destiny in the Integra. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and if you got any suggestions for the car or anything you'd like to share, go ahead and drop a comment down below.